Hello everyone, Stacy Glow is again with you. Today I'll tell you a little about the star of the fashion industry, a well-known model and actress with her own extraordinary style. I'll show you how to do the makeup in the style of Cara Delevingne. You know standard procedures. Everybody starts with this. Whether this is a well-known model or just me. I put the primer on the face.
Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight. Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight.
Then I will apply a base with the help of the beauty blender.
In a fight. Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight.
To mask the effects, I will put the liquid concealer in the form of a triangle under the eyes and disguise them.
That's what I want, that's what I need, that's what I've dreamt of for all these days. Run away.
For contouring, I use the dark side of Wonder Stick. I paint the line of the cheekbones, contouring the forehead and the nose. After that, I will highlight those areas of the face that I need with the bright side of Wonder Stick. Then I will blend it all with the brush and the beauty blender.
Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight. Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight.
Then I will again put the bright side of my magic wand on the zone under the eyes with the same form of a triangle and blend it. Cara Delevingne is a fun and carefree actress, a singer, and an ex-supermodel. The spokesperson of many cosmetic brands, she shook the world of fashion, if not to say turned it upside down with her thick eyebrows. Apparently, she just became one of the thick eyebrows fashion queens. At least earlier, thin lines instead of eyebrows were met among girls, much more often than in recent years. Now I will apply NYX powder to achieve the matte skin effect. Next, I need to emphasize the cheeks, nose, and some other areas. So I take the highlighter, or rather light shadows with sparkles instead of it. I put them on the cheeks, nose, over the lid and under the eyebrows.
We'll start a fight, maybe run away, 'cause we'll start a fight.
Finally, let's start with the eyebrows. As I mentioned, this is one of the key moments of the makeup of Cara Delevingne, which attracts so much attention. Therefore, eyebrows require the most attention in this makeup. I'll use the eyebrow shadows. First of all, I make the contour, and then I paint them inside, making such a smooth transition from the beginning of the eyebrow to its end.
Closer, get in a fight. Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight. Come on, get a little closer, get in a fight.
I emphasize the eyebrows with the liquid concealer to achieve the desired effect, and blend everything with a beauty blender. After that, I will put brown shadows at the growth of the eyelashes and blend. Then I will apply the same shadows all over the eyelids and also blend. And then on the lower fold of the eyelids. Then I will take brown shadows again, but of a little different tint, and I will put them on the upper part of the eyelid. Do not forget to blend. One of the Cara's standard makeups is the smoky makeup. You can often see her with this look. No matter whether she is the blonde or brunette, this makeup is suitable for any hair. But the color of the eyes as for me matters, but it's better to emphasize the blue eyes. What is the essence of the makeup? In fact, it is blending of the dark shadows on the upper and lower part of the eyelid to reduce the brightness of the dark shade and create the effect of smoke around the eyes. That is why this name is taken. This is not quite a complicated makeup, but it will give you such a rebellious image. And I blend the shadows to the outer corner of the eye.
If you just try to fix your fears, I invite you to a little play. That's what I want, that's what I need, that's what I've dreamt of for all these days. Run away,
Now I put again the concealer on the area under the eyes.
for it's too late.
And then in the inner corner of my eye I will put white shadows with sparkles to create a light transition from the light shadows to the dark ones. I need to highlight the line of the eyelashes growth with the black pencil. And to emphasize the eyes even better, I use the dark shadows. I do this with the help of the brush. If you want to achieve even stronger smoky effect, then emphasize the eye even more and blend it all.
Baby, run away, 'cause we'll start a fight.
Next, to make my eyebrows even bigger, I'm far from CARA, but at least something like that. I will brush them and add a little bit of volume. At the upper and lower eyelashes, I will put mascara.
Fix your fears, I invite you to a little play. That's what I want, that's what I need, that's what I've dreamt of.
And now your lips. You might think the dark or red lipstick fits such a makeup. And you're right, usually it is true. But today I will make a gentle smoky makeup, so I use NYX light pink lipstick. You can see CARA with the dark lipstick and gentle one together with the smoky makeup. I think it depends on her look. She's rather unpredictable. She's not afraid of changes, even if it's complete shaving. She's known as the rebel of Hollywood, and I want to believe that this is her true character, and not just the image of the very Hollywood created by it. What do you think of this? I'm waiting for comments.
Start a fight. We'll start a fight.
Meanwhile, my look is ready. Well, do I look like her? What about my eyebrows? I'm rather unusual and I would not come out with such eyebrows, but it is stylish. By the way, if you have icons whose makeup would you like to learn to make, write to me and we will try together, okay? Thank you for your attention, do not forget about likes and be back soon. Bye!